Hello, I've done another video about find patterns in prime numbers with Python because I have increased the speed of the animation and there are three methods to increase the speed. The first is the method speed because this is a program written in Python. This is a Tkinter graphic user interface, and this is a canvas. In the canvas is connected to the graphic module turtle, and so turtle obviously has the method speed. Now the speed is 1, is the slowest. Okay, I change to 5. And the maximum speed, the maximum value is 0. Okay, it is very good, but when you have to search for 100 iteration, 200 iteration, and you start from a very big number, the program is slow. It takes many seconds to fill the screen. Okay, so there is the method tracer. Method tracer in turtle. But the problem is that this turtle, since the turtle is connected to a canvas in Tkinter, cannot be a normal turtle but a raw turtle. And the tracer method normally doesn't work with raw turtle, and it works only if you connect the turtle to the screen, not to the canvas. So the first passage is to create a screen connected to the canvas. Okay. Then you apply the method tracer to the screen, not to the canvas. And inside the tracer you put a number between 0 and I don't know, 10, 20. And then the turtle is connected to the screen, not to the canvas. If not, the method tracer doesn't work. Now you can see the improved speed of the program. Bam. If you put 100, I have to press the insert button. Now the tracer speed is 8. Okay. We have to wait. Okay, we can adjust the size of the dot. Okay, and increase the speed. Normally the program starts with these default values, 29 for the starting number and 3 side, so it is not the Ulam spiral squared, but a spiral triangular. And you can see that with this 29 there is this beautiful pattern. For me it is very special because you can go to 1 million iteration and you can see this line, and this line which go forever and divide the triangle in 3 parts. It is very beautiful. So you have seen that speed 12 is fantastic, but the maximum speed is speed 0. When you reach speed 0, when you go to with the slider to speed 0. There is no animation. You have to wait because the computer seems to be broken, but it's not. And you reach the maximum speed. There is no animation, and all the work is done in one time. You have to wait. Boom. Perfect. You can. This is very good. The no animation method in tracer 0 as parameter to do a very big calculation. Okay. Now there is another method which is the method to import a C function, a function written in C in Python. I have followed the non è trovo più. Yes, this programmer has done a video, very beautiful, about calling function, C function in Python code. So the function to find the prime numbers is this in Python. I have found this function in this beautiful site, and I think it was written in JavaScript. With this function you can find if a number is prime or not. I have put number 1 prime number. Many says that it is not a prime number, but for the moment it is so. So if you write this function in C, okay, you write this function in C, and you have here, yes, you have this function written in C. You can transform this function with this method, the first indicated by this programmer, to transform the function in C in a file .so as extension with GCC shared e poi these parameters. Now, if you do this, you create this file. So there is a GCC shared or etc. You put return, and you have this file. Once you have this file in the same directory of the program, you can import it with you have to import C types. You call this libcalc and write also this, and write the location in which there is the file with extension .so. Now the programmer said that you have to connect this function. For me this doesn't work, so I don't do this. Now you have libcalc which is connected to this file.so. So I don't use this, but I use the function written in C, and so I call libcalc dot trova numeri primi and insert the starting number. Okay? Quindi libcalc, which is written I don't know. Yes, libcalc, which is connected to trova numeri primi.so. Okay. Dot trova numeri primi, starting number. And now you can see the speed of this program. Okay, you can put 100, 41, 4 size, 7. Okay. You have always you have to press insert or press return, because if not it is not written in the program. So start the animation. No, I have to set the speed to 0. Okay, you have to wait. You see the maximum speed with the function written in C when you have no animation. So we find again, allora, 100, 41. Why 41? Because a programmer said that 41 is very special for prime number. 4 side, speed 0, so there is no animation, and start. Voila. With 7, size 7. So now you can compare the speed of this program with the function written in C. Okay. With this other program with the function written in Python. The only function which is changed is this. In this program I use the function to find the prime number written in Python. Okay, we can set 100, 41, no animation. Okay, 7. Okay, we put 150, and also in the other 150. Okay, now voila. Allora, we start. Okay, 11 seconds. Now the other. Eight seconds. Now there is a difference in about 3 seconds, but when you put a big number for the iteration, the gap is more evident. So if you put 200, 201, so I remember that this is the version with the C function, and this is 200. Okay, start. "35 seconds. Now the version with the function written in C. 10 seconds. It is very much. So this is the method I used thanks to this programmer, how to call C function in Python code. So you can use a C function in your Python program, and also use the tracer method to increase the speed of turtle, Rava turtle in this case, in your program. Pay attention to connect the turtle to the screen, which is connected to the canvas. If not, the tracer method doesn't work. And the tracer method has to be connected to the screen, not to the carcass, to the turtle. This is all. Thank you for watching my video.